That is so fucking good.
What up guys, Andrew with Preheat. I'm going to show you guys how to make some tilapia with a coconut herb sauce. Let's get into it. You're going to need some green onions. So these ones have like the bulb because I like a little bit more onion. You need some garlic, shallots, butter. I always use Kerrygold, lemon, coconut cream, parsley, thyme, salt, and if you want, you can use pepper. I personally don't. But anyway, I am not a trained chef, so you can laugh at how ineffective I am at cutting things, but this is basically just how it goes. Boom! Super easy. I like a fair bit of garlic. Should have shelled all these first, but whatever. Boom. And then take all these, same thing. Got a bunch of shallots, garlic, some white or green onion in here. Usually what I'll do is I'll end up tossing these back through so I can chop it a little bit finer, but you don't necessarily need to do that. And then we have some chives right there. So I'll usually add to it at the end. We're gonna take a bunch of sea salt and just sprinkle it all over this. And then parsley, thyme, and then obviously flip them over and do it on both sides. You're just gonna take some butter and you're going to toss it in that pan. And while that is getting going, take all this crap that you got all chopped up, make sure it's a little separated, because sometimes you end up with long ass strings of onion like that. But even if you do, not a big deal. And I'm just gonna toss some in there. Usually what I like to do is figure out about how many I have and split it up accordingly. And then you just let that start to get hot. And basically once they're translucent, or at least mostly, then you toss these in there. So you can see these are starting to get translucent. So then what you're gonna do is just take these, 1, 2, if you can, try and fit 3 in there. Just toss a lid on. And you're just going to leave that for somewhere around 2 to 4 minutes. Essentially what you're doing is you're just letting it brown and sear on the bottom. I'm just going to take some coconut cream. Basically just going to let this all dissolve. Scrape all the little brown bits off of it. And then you can do this with a zester, or if you don't have one, you can use just a potato peeler. And literally all you're gonna do is just get a bunch of really, really tiny pieces of lemon rind. Because you're not actually going to eat this, it just gives it a flavor. And while that's going, you're gonna set your oven to 400. You're gonna take this, set a timer for 7 minutes, and just let those finish cooking all the way through. So then all you've got to do from here is grab your tilapia, toss it on, and then add a little bit of coconut sauce to it. And if you want, you can add a few chives, and you're good to go. I personally like doing this with green beans the most, but do whatever you feel. So until next time, guys, see you later.
Taking our first bite.
Well, I eat this all the time.
That is so fucking good.
It's so good. I'm surprised.
You're surprised?
Mm-hmm.
Let's see. Dang it. Now it's my turn. Oh shit. Oh man, that's so good, dude. Oh dang. Wow.